reading, we will going to have general reading with love reading message and career reading. Okay, let's see the energy first. Tune in your serenity with this Celestite. Serenity. With Pyrite, call on your core power. And strengthen your foundation. Get real with your truth with this strong guide. So I hear spirits are telling you na mag-focus ka sa iyong foundation. Lay solid foundation. I hear that, my loves, na kailangan mag-focus ka right now sa iyong foundation. So ibig sabihin, it's time for you to lay a solid foundation. Kung meron kang pinaplano with this Pyrite, kasi this is, sabihin natin, ang Pyrite kilala sa mga lucky charms, sa pag-attract ng maraming success and wealth. Pwede din ito, my loves, is sabihin natin incorporate siya or connected siya sa ating solar plexus chakra, na kung saan nandun yung ating intelligence, also the willpower. Also, my loves, I hear na right now with this card, yung ating Jasper dito, foundation. So dito, I hear na mag-focus ka sa yung masculine energy. Masculine energy, iyon yung ating energy na kung saan nakafocus tayo sa ating drive, sa ating, sabihin nating will. Masculine energy. Okay, i-boost ang inyong masculine energy and also yung pagiging goal-oriented, my loves. I hear that. And with this Celestite, my loves, I hear na meron kang gustong gawin. You are consistently ignoring inner voice that actually some good ideas. Meron kang kailangan panindigan dito, my loves. Kung meron kang pinaplano, may goals ka, may pangarap ka, kailangan panindigan mo yun, my loves. I hear na kailangan mong, sabihin natin, with this calm energy ng Celestite, my loves, nandito yung peace of mind mo. Hindi ka matatahimik hanggat hindi mo na isasagawa itong pangarap na to, itong goals na to. Then yun nga, my loves, like for example, meron kang gusto talagang maging career, kailangan ay sabihin natin, i-boost mo yung iyong masculine energy para sa career na yun. Ganun din sa mga yung creative ideas, my loves, na gusto mong gawin. Kasi ito yung, alam niyo yung nandito yung solid foundation na kung saan hindi lang siya basta sideline, hindi lang siya basta trabaho. Ito is magiging, sabihin natin, pundasyon ng iyong pamumuhay. So nandun ka sa state na yon na kung saan you are called to do that. So my loves, dito you have to, sabihin natin, maging solid, maging consistent when it comes to achieving your goals. And my loves, dito sa dalawang to, you have to get real with your truths. Ano ba talaga ang gusto mo? Kung ang gusto mong trabaho is, yes, gusto mo yan dahil nagkakapera ka, pero wala naman doon yung iyong heart, you have to decide, my loves. Kasi dito, foundation ay pinag-uusapan dito eh. Kailangan, my loves, dito, andito, my loves, yung energy na kung saan yung foundation na yan is, yan yung meron pa rin niyang magiging malaking influence sa future mo at sa yung pamumuhay in future. Hindi mo siya yung pwedeng i-consider na parang, ano yung tawag doon? Permanently. Okay, permanently, I hear dito. So, sa mga ideas mo, my loves, make it sure na yung mga ideas mo, yes, pang permanence na. I hear, my loves, you have to be honest with yourself. You have to be honest with yourself. Ano ba talaga ang gusto mo? Ano ang gusto maging work? Ano ang gusto mong maging career? Meron ka ba? Parang, my loves, I hear, meron kang gusto ditong i-pursue na something. na nasa talagang pinapangarap mo siya at kagustuhan ng heart mo. Pwede yung lahat ng yun is sabihin natin kailangan mo ng kung yun is makakaapekto or magbibigay sa'yo ng maganda. Okay, let's see. Ito na, my loves, yung time para makapag-lay. Okay, power and leadership. So, more on masculine talaga, my loves, ang energy na lumalabas dito. Ayan, masculine ulit, my loves. Look at this. I hear na merong magandang new beginning. May magpapalakas sa'yo with this frog and the prince. Merong mag-o-offer sa'yo na opportunity na kung saan masculine na naman, my loves. Maybe, my loves, baka ikaw ay, I feel na you are currently into your emotion. Hindi stable ang iyong mental health. I hear that. Kasi pag hindi stable ang mental health mo, my loves, you are imbalance when it comes to feminine energy. Parang kumbaga nagkakaroon ng imbalances yun. More on emotion ka, my loves. So dito, this is confirmation na you have to focus to tap into your masculine energy. So dito, I hear na merong maganda, may power. You are someone na sabihin nating medyo andun yung takot. Andito din yung, look at the energy na parang kumbaga nagse-self-contain ka or sabi nating ikinukulong mo ang iyong sarili, but ikaw yung tipo ng individual na kung saan align or naka-destined into more leadership because you have your power and strength, my loves. Also, ikaw yung sabihin natin naka-destined for someone na mag-lead because aside sa ikaw ay merong strength na hindi mo nagagamit right now, you have your heart. You are someone na kung saan, but dito, my love, you are someone na kung saan you're kind, you're into morality, meron ka talaga gusto dito. Maybe yung iyong goals is makatulong din sa iba. And pwede din, my loves, na dahil doon, because of your kindness and morality and virtue, may paparating na offer sa'yo. Look, merong paparating na offer sa'yo na magbibigay sa'yo ng lots of leadership. I also hear dito yung sharing, charity works, pwede din, my loves, and also yung pagiging grounded. And I hear, my loves, na you are blossoming. Tama, my loves, laying foundation. Merong opportunity na paparating na kung saan, alam mo yung mag-boost ng iyong career, magbibigay sa'yo ng power and strength. Male figure. Pwede din confirmation na male ang ating collectives. Beautiful flower bouquets. So happiness arises. Okay, so good news then coming for you. Not small joys, but luck in everything maximizes, my loves. Napakaganda ng paparating. Hindi lang iisa, kung hindi sabihin natin a bunch or bundle of luck awaits you. So, nandyan magkakos yan ng lots of happiness sa'yo. But right now, I feel na you are into your, sabihin natin, hindi ka stable, pwedeng you are grieving or pwedeng sadness and pain, nakakaramdam ka nun. But from you, this beautiful flower, my loves, I hear na merong magandang paparating bundle of joys na paparating sa'yo na magkukos ng lots of happiness. Okay, so dito, with the coffin card, maaaring ang cause ng iyong sadness and pain, pwedeng death, pwede din, my loves, losses, pwedeng pagkatalo din, my loves, and transformation. So, you are encouraged to drain away this. Pero sabihin natin, meron talagang pagbabago. May pagbabago, but spirits are telling you, tanggalin ito as herald of malice or even decay. It's best the coffin stays out of your way. Your courage and assets both drain away. All of this happens without any delay. My loves, I hear kung ano man ang nararamdaman mong lungkot right now, kung meron ka man desperation na nararamdaman, spirits are telling you na kailangan tanggalin mo na yan para maka-enter itong bundles of joy na to. Okay? So kasi my loves, pwede din na itong sadness and pain mo is nakuha mo, na-absorb mo from other people na nakapaligid sa'yo. I also hear na merong isang secret kang mabubunyag, merong kang matutunghayan, pwede din na may paparating na truth. Pwede din, my loves, ikaw mismo, merong kang ibubunyag. Kasi dito, pwede din na you are get real with your truth. Pwedeng magpapakatotoo ka na rin, my loves. Kung meron ka mang hindi inaamin sa mundo, pwedeng ipakita mo na yon, my loves. And these secrets, it is written in the book. So, I hear na you are destined for something. Let us now discover it. It is time for you to discover and open this closed book, my loves. Kailangan mo na talagang ipakita sa mundo yung talent na tinatago mo, yung strength, yung ability na tinatago mo, my loves. Let's see. Sa love portion naman natin, kung ano ang nakadestined sa'yo. But always remember, my loves, you are destined to have your leadership. You have your strength like this prince, my loves. Ikaw din is blessed na kung wala man sa'yo na sumusuporta, kung feeling mo walang sumusuporta sa'yo, my loves, meron, ayan o, merong mga tao na darating sa'yo para suportahan ka. Let's see, love portion naman. So, yun, it's either meron ka malalamang secret o ikaw mismo yung may ipapakita sa paligid mo, may ibubunyag, okay? So, when it comes to love portion, believe, okay. Andun pa rin ang hope, my loves. Andun ang hope. So, you are focused. Okay, I hear na you stay focused on your career. Kailangan ma-solve mo muna yung mga problems mo. My loves, happiness na naman. My loves, malakas ang ano natin dito, you are in pain right now, or pwedeng ikaw din is sad right now. Kasi dito, malinaw na malinaw, you are, sabihin natin, maa-achieve mo din yan. Spirits are reminding you na you are destined for some big, huge happiness. Even sa yung love life, my loves. So dito, darating ang iyong love life kung masosolve mo na ang mga problems mo in life. Just stay focused kasi, my loves, merong breakthrough na paparating sa'yo. Meron talagang breakthrough. It's either, di ba sabi ko nga, meron, pwede ding may magbibigay sa'yo ng opportunity, merong charity works, or merong mag-o-offer sa'yo ng opportunity. And, ayan, pero kailangan, my loves, i-let go mo muna yung mga bagay na, ayun o, stay away from this coffin na nagkukulong sa'yo sa kalungkutan, pwede yon, or naglilimit sa'yo ng yung power. So dito, my loves, be diligent, be more focused, dahil kagaya ng binanggit ko kanina, darating ang love mo kung nandun din. Just believe, and yung kung masosolve mo na yung mga problems mo in life, you are destined to be happy in your love life. Andyan din yung, andyan din, my loves, yung sabihin natin, magkaka-love life ka kung kontento ka na when it comes to your career. Kung kontento ka na. So, let's see more kung ano ang meron sa yung love life. So, my loves, dito kailangan is masatisfy mo muna yung iyong, sabihin natin, personal. Pay attention to red flags. My loves, dito, kagaya ng sinabi ko, magiging red flag ang iyong relationship kung meron ka pang kailangang isolve sa iyong personal life. Kung may kailangan ka pang isolve sa iyong personal life. And I also hear, bago ka magmahal, make it sure na walang, Ayan, pay attention to red flags. Pwedeng you are attracted to someone na hindi mo nakikita yung red flags. The signs are cautioning you. Codependency, umiwas din sa mga love na kung saan is sabihin nating masyadong nakaasa. I also hear the addictions, or pwedeng may loves na parang masyado kang naapektuhan ng romantic life. Hindi yun healthy sa'yo. Hindi healthy sa'yo yung pagiging codependent sa love life. So, ikaw ay destined for someone na sabihin natin, parehas kayong independent mindset, pero pag nagsama kayo, yung alam niyo power couple, yun, very soon, darating din sa'yo, my loves. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you. Gusto mo na ba? Or ready ka na ba magka-love life? Pero dito, lumitaw dito yung solve. Kailangan masolve mo muna yon. And I hear na paparating yun, my loves. Pwede din, my loves, itong personal issue ay maka-apekto sa love life. Kaya make it sure na pwede din sa person na darating sa'yo. Tingnan mo kung meron silang mga personal issue, may mga problems sila financially or emotionally. Dapat yon ay settled bago kayo pumasok sa isang relationship kasi nandito yung cautioning and codependency. So, iwasan yun, my loves, yung pagiging masyadong addicted sa love life. Pag ikaw ay masyadong addicted sa love life, red flags yun. Okay, so dito, my loves, very soon, may paparating sa'yong love. Okay, very soon, may paparating na love. Okay, let's pull final card from spirits. Message from spirits. Sing your own song, my loves. Dito talaga may kailangan ka talagang i-express. I hear na creative expression. My loves, diba, eto, sa Shanghai na to, get real with your truth. Magpakatotoo ka, my loves. Ano talaga, saan ka talaga masayang career, ano talagang gusto mong maging. Trust the great mystery. My loves, huwag kang matakot. And sabihin natin kahit na parang imposible na mangyari yung gusto mo, kung iyan ang nasa heart mo, my love, spirits are telling you, kailangan mo na yan simulan. To lay a strong foundation with your truth. Sometimes, life stings, pero wag kang susuko, my loves. Dito, pinagtitibay ka, my loves. Pwedeng itinry mo na to, yung passion na to, pero hindi naging successful. Pero this time, pinapaalala sa'yo ni spirits na sometimes life stings. Okay? So dito, my loves, always remember, just trust. With this whale spirit, trust the great mystery. And with this canary spirit, my loves, sing your own song, express kung saan ka masaya, my loves. At kailangan panindigan mo na to. Okay? And that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.